Then they showed him the footage. His grin evaporated. He was arrested on the spot. The trial dragged on for months. Travis came in at first with the same cocky swagger, his lawyer claiming it was self-defense, but the jury watched him pounce on my brother unprovoked. They saw Danny on the ground, hands up, trying to protect himself. They heard the vet's report about Shadow's limp. No, wait, they heard the ER doctor testify about Danny's injuries, the concussion, the bruised ribs, the trauma. Witnesses confirmed it. The evidence was undeniable. Guilty, assault, theft, probation violations from previous charges. The judge didn't hold back. 4 years in prison. When the gavel fell, Travis's bravado finally cracked. He shouted that it wasn't fair, that Danny was a liar, but no one in that room believed him. Not anymore. The day they let him away in cuffs, I stood next to Danny. My brother had a small smile on his face for the first time in weeks. For once, he wasn't scared anymore. He knew the man who had hurt him was gone, locked in a cage where he couldn't touch anyone else. Travis thought he was invincible, thought he could beat up whoever he wanted and walk away laughing. Now, every night when that cell door slams, he remembers the night he laid hands on my little brother. He remembers the cameras, he remembers the jury, and he remembers me, the brother who made sure he'll never walk free the same way again.